Improving the graphics settings on your Xbox Series X can enhance your gaming experience significantly. Follow these steps to optimize your console's graphics settings. Step 1. Access Settings. Navigate to the home screen of your Xbox Series X, press the Xbox button on your controller to open the guide, then select Profile and System, followed by Settings. Step 2. Select General. In the Settings menu, choose General. This section contains various options related to system settings, including display and graphics. Step 3. Choose TV and Display Options. Under the General settings, select TV and Display Options. Here, you can adjust the resolution, refresh rate, and other display settings to match your TV's capabilities. Step 4. Adjust Video Modes. In the TV and Display options, scroll down to Video Modes. Enable options like Allow 120 HD and Allow Variable Refresh Rate if your TV supports them. This can improve frame rates and reduce screen tearing. Step 5. Configure Game Mode. Return to the main settings menu and select Preferences. Then choose Xbox Game Bar and enable Game Mode. This setting optimizes performance while playing games, ensuring the best graphics output. By following these steps, you can enhance the graphics settings on your Xbox Series X for a more immersive gaming experience. Enjoy your improved visuals.